Hey guys, let's see how to fix the Dell laptop not turning on. Here I have just a black screen on my Dell Latitude and I'm gonna show you how to fix it, okay? There are different ways. Let's just start with the first one, which is the reset, okay? Power reset. You just need to hold the power button here for some time and the laptop is going to reset. So I'm gonna hold here for at least 30 seconds. You're gonna see here on the screen the Dell logo. You just keep holding it and you see the computer booting up. You just keep holding it at least for 30 seconds and it's going to reset. In my case, it's working already. See here, the Windows comes up. But if it doesn't work for you, you can try different solutions, right? Let me just shut it down again. Okay, unplug the cable. I can also test the cable here with a multimeter. This one, for example, and see if it's working fine. Here I have alternate voltage. I need to just come down here and select the continue voltage. See here, that's the symbol for continue voltage. In here, you see that I have inside, let me just show you here that I have inside here a pin. So I need to reach that pin with the probe and the external part here to measure the voltage. So here inside, I'm gonna put this red one. Let me just remove this from the probe. The same here with the black one. There we go. And here, put the probe. I need to reach the pin inside. In here, you see that I have 19.3 volts. Okay, that's normal for Dell laptop. Power supply for a Dell laptop is 19 volts or 19 dot something. Okay, so power is good here. So it's not a problem with the power supply. So let's just check the battery now and also the RAM module. So I can just open this up. So it's pretty simple. You just need a Phillips screwdriver to open this up. There are two screws here in the center. Don't forget to check those ones. And 3 here on each side of the laptop, right? So I have 3 here. You just need to lose them. There we go, you release off them. Then you just pull this, remove it, and here you have your motherboard, okay? Here's the battery. So what you can try here is just remove this pin here from the battery, okay? You just need to, let me just approach here so you see better. You just need to pull this out and then you disconnect the battery. Let me go in here and pull. There we go. See here that's connected, right? And here is the information about the battery. So just do this, wait for a while, like 1 or 2 minutes, okay? And then you can pull this back here. You can push this back here, that way. So super simple. Let me just approach here so see better. That's the one for the battery, right? You can just pull here, remove it, and then wait for a while and put it back. Super simple. There are also the RAM modules here that you can remove and clean them up. To remove is pretty simple as well. Let me just bring back here and move that way, much better that way. Then you just need to do this with your finger, just release here, and you're good to go, okay? Remove it from here, and then you can clean here with a rubber. You clean the contacts here, just pass the rubber as best as you can here. Clean the module on both sides, and then you can put it back, right? To put it back is super simple as well. You just put that way here and push it. There we go. You do the same with the other module here. Just clean this up and put it back. Okay, then you have your battery back into place. And now you can close and try to boot up again. Okay, let me just zoom out here a little bit so I see that I can close here. Put the screws back into place. Let me just make sure that I have the correct position here to close this lid. There we go. There we go. You close the lid here and bring your laptop back. Just power it on. And you see the battery is working because I have the cable disconnected here. But I have the backlit there and also the Dell's logo here. Basically the laptop is coming up, right? So it's working. And Windows is loading here. I see the spinning wheel and I'm good to go. I can even power back here the laptop, right? So I hope that helps. That's the way you can fix the problem with the Dell laptop not turning on. Leave your comments here, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.